Hi guys, just want to let you know real quick, I'm starting this YouTube channel to let you know about tools that I have found over the years, and you can probably see it's been quite a few years, that I have found valuable and really glad that I have in my toolbox. And I think it'd be a good addition to yours as well. If you're any kind of DIYer at all, like I am, and I'm hardcore, been my whole life, you might find these tools valuable. So no long tool reviews. I'm going to keep them short. I'm not sponsored by any company or tool manufacturer or anything like that. I bought them all with my own money, and they're tools that I already own, and you'll see they show use. So hope you find this valuable. Let's get on to the first tool. If you've never seen one of these things before, I'm going to show you why you need one of these in your toolbox. I put together a little demo here by hammering some nails into a chunk of hickory. So pretty hard wood that likes to hold on to nails. Problem is with a claw hammer, a lot of times you can't get the leverage you need to pull the nail. Have you ever been trying to pull a nail with a claw hammer and it bends the edges of the head of the nail up and then you can't grip it, or it just pulls the head right off the nail? Sometimes you're in tight quarters and you can't even get the claw hammer in there to get on the nail. So this tool solves all those problems by being able to get into tight quarters, gripping the nail not only by the head but also by the shank, getting down close where you can get leverage on it, re-gripping when you need to, and getting it out. A claw hammer only grips the head of the nail, so it doesn't always give you what you need. These pliers, you can grip the nail down close to the wood and get more leverage on it to pull it out. And if you're pulling a longer nail, you can re-grip and get close to the wood again and get more leverage to pull it. I don't know if you've ever done any electrical work, but if you have, you've probably had the need to pull an electrical staple now and then. That's where these things really shine. I recently had to pull up some carpet in a house, and the underlying carpet pad was held down with staples. You can just go along and grab each staple and yank it right out, no problem. Can't do that with a claw hammer. So this thing has proven its worth to me over the years, and you can tell it's well used. So there you go. There's a link below, either in the description or a pinned comment. See you next tool.